Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic which I am sharing with you people, it is related with the poetry. A Bird Came Down the Walk by Emily Dickinson. Over here there is a link also. It is on textbook page number 33. First of all we will do the recitation of the poem with the proper intonation. A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angle warm in halves and ate the fluid rows. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass. And then he hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all around. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. He stirred his velvet head like one in danger, cautious. I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Then oars divide the ocean, two silver from a seam, or butterflies of bank of noon leap splashless as they swim. After recitation, you can see there are 5 stanzas and every stanza is having 4 lines. Rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B. This means the stanza is having 4 lines. Second, fourth lines are rhyming, but the first and the third are not. Rhyming words. Rhyming words you can see they are saw, raw, grass, pass. Now we will discuss the theme or a central idea. They both are almost the same. Actually, the central idea of the poem in which the poet is saying that it is about a nature, isn't it? Or you can say duality of nature. How beautiful and at the same time how dangerous it can be. Personification is to give a human qualities to the intimate object. Over here it is unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Similes such as butterflies of bank of moon leap flashes as they swim. Metaphor. Metaphor is in the third stanza. He stirred his velvet head. Alliteration means the repetition of words. Oars divided the ocean, 2 silver for a seam. Now class, you can note down your homework. In homework, you will do question number 3 till question number 8 in your notebook. You can summarize this poem as well. Thank you so much. On textbook page number 33, you can see there is a red table in which all the foundation grade is mentioned for you people. You can see, you can read the definition from it, and after that you can easily find metaphor, similes, personification and alliteration which is used in this poem. Hopefully this poem is clear to you. Thank you so much.